Introducing Wayfair Rewards. Unlock your next home gem with Wayfair's new loyalty program. Now, when you give to your home, Wayfair gives back to you. So treat yourself and watch the rewards pile up. For only $29 per year, you'll get 5% back in rewards on every purchase. Bonus, they never expire. Love that for you. Join for access to exclusive member-only sales with deals so good you'll get the neighbors buzzing. Free shipping on every order, from small stuff to really, really big stuff. Because we know it's not just what you get, but how you get it. Perks and special offers on your birthday. And just because. Get rewarded on our full family of brands, no matter what you're shopping for. So get decorating, get hosting, get renovating, get kid-proof, get organized. Get whatever makes your home feel like you. Join now and unlock your next home gem today.
Wayfair, every style, every home.